Scan Design Fabric Protector provides efficient, invisible protection and can be used on all upholstered furniture. The product is easy to use. Spray an even, thin layer on the furniture at a distance of approximately 25 centimeters or 10 inches to make the textile wet. Let it dry for approximately 90 minutes at normal room temperature. This completes the protection. To check that the treatment is sufficient, a little water can be sprayed on. When it is completely dry, repeat the treatment if the water does not glance off. Scan Design Fabric Protector is for environment and safety reasons produced with carbon dioxide as a propellant. However, there must be ventilation in the room where the furniture is treated, perhaps an open window. Always read the label before using the product. We hope you enjoy using Scan Design Fabric Protector.